What do you want? Hmm? Outside again? Outside again? Hmm? Ay, ay, ay. I just arrived home. You just came home. Then when you will come back? That's the problem here. Hmm? When will you come back, huh? Hmm? So, you have to sleep here. Come here first. You sleep here first. Yeah, you come here and sleep. Yeah. Or come here and sleep. You better sleep. You better sleep. Go. You better sleep. Not going anywhere. You better sleep. Okay. You better sleep. You sleep. You go and sleep. You go and sleep first. Hmm? Magkano diha? Wow. You sleep, you stay there. In that chair. You stay there in that chair. Very good. Sit down. Sit down. Oh, very good. And behave, okay? Can you behave, please? Okay. You can sleep there. Alright. That's a boy. You sleep. You're so sleepy. I can see that. You're so tired. Can lie down too. Almost sleeping. Good, sleeping already. Yeah. Yes, I'm not letting him sleep. Poor boy.